Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect PayPal with the Instacart app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and pay for Instacart using PayPal. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Instacart app. Next, click on Account or the profile icon on the top right-hand corner. Then click on Settings. Then click on Debit/Credit, PayPal, and more. And then this is where you can click on PayPal. And then it's going to prompt you to log into PayPal so that you can connect PayPal with the Instacart app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.